very first video on this channel, I've talked about the direction that I wanted to go with these two cars. Step one was to make the Evo faster than it was. Step two is to make the Supra faster than that. And if you've been here since the beginning, you already know that. And if you're new, welcome. This channel's still pretty young, so those videos weren't even that long ago. Feel free to go back and check them out. But like I said, from day one, the plan was simple. Make the Evo fast, make the Supra faster. Or at least try. Now, I've owned the Evo for a long time. And over that time, I've taken apart and touched probably every nut and bolt on this thing. I know where every line runs, what every wire does, what's plugged into what and why. And after you take apart a car and put it back together enough times with any car, you start to realize how simple it really is and what needs to be there and what doesn't. And I think that's probably what I'm most excited about when building the Supra, is not only making it faster, but making it simpler. Cleaning things up, getting rid of unnecessary systems, not the ones there for legal reasons, that would be crazy. I've had the Supra for coming up on 2 years now, and it really checks a lot of boxes. Always been a dream car. It was an opportunity. There's definitely some nostalgia factor wrapped up in there as well. It's not a perfect car. To me, that's a good thing. It's not some time capsule with low miles that I wouldn't want to touch. It's something that has a little bit higher mileage on it, and it was an automatic. It's not a true 6-speed car. Making a lot of these modifications hurts my soul a little bit less. It actually doesn't hurt my soul at all. I'm a horsepower guy. Like, make the car the way you want it, have fun. But most importantly, it was a very solid car. Clean, no rust, no real big issues with it, and it had a lot of the maintenance already done to it. So a very, very good starting point. And I think everything that we've done up until this point has made that starting point even easier. The single turbo, already done. 6-speed swap, good to go. It's already got coilovers on it. It's already got a front mount air cooler. It's already got a big old tire on the back of it. Makes it look way faster than it really is. And there is already videos on the channel of most of that stuff if you want to go check it out. But underneath it all, it's still on stock ECU and stock fuel system. Right now, the Evo's ahead of the Supra in about every way. Power, speed, acceleration. The Supra doesn't really stand a chance. Well, the Supra might be ahead in cool factor or attention. Like, can't bring this car anywhere. And because the Evo's ahead, I think it's time to shift focus. This focus right here. Shift focus. Get it? So, the Supra does have some changes coming. Nothing crazy. Not talking about a full built engine or anything like that. But we're gonna make enough changes so that we can play catch up, because I think we can make some pretty good power on the stock block. Just a handful of upgrades, which is pretty crazy to think because of how much work I've put into the Evo. Still a lot of work coming on the Supra, but nothing near as invasive as tearing apart the block like I have done with the Evo to build everything from scratch. And the best part about this is that I get to take everything that I've learned from building this Evo multiple times and apply that to the Supra from the start. Now, this is both just the beginning of a new build series of the Supra, but it's also probably just the beginning of that car guy spiral. Eventually, I mean, it's a Supra. It's got to have 1,000 horsepower, so built engine, bigger turbo, all the stuff. One day. I mean, it wouldn't make sense not to. Money. So, if you want to see how this rivalry between the Evo and the Supra ends up, stick around. This is just the beginning. It's kind of like the middle. That one's already done. Let's do this.